Hello guys, Craig from fixitfallows, and I'm lucky enough to be in the garden, and once again I am repairing fence panels. Okay, you've seen me do videos on this before. Just get some battens, trim them down, reframe the edges, and you're good to go. So done that one, that's all good. Just fixing this one that goes in this gap. As you can see, it's there, all the frame's done. But what the problem with this one is, the top capping rail has completely and utterly gone. So what I'm going to do is, I have got myself this timber. What is that? That's sort of like 2 by 1, and I am going to make myself a new capping rail. So first of all, I'm just going to cut it down to length for that panel. So there you go, I've measured the length. I'm finding that when you do these fence panels, you don't have to be super accurate. It's not like you're making like cabinets or furniture. This is a fence panel, so you know, quick pencil line round and that'll do. So we just cut straight through. So there you go. Now what we need to do is put our beveled edge on this so it's a proper capping rail, and to do that I am going to use this that I bought from AliExpress. So this is a battery operated little hand trimmer router. Not used it before, but the router that I have got is a big behemoth, and I'm hoping this will do the job. So I've put in a what's that, a 45-degree router bit in there, and I don't need to put any guide plate on because the bearing will run alongside the timber there and give me my straight cutting line. So let's put a battery on it and see how this thing works. Right, so I'm going to test it on the offcut first. So here we are, we've got a battery on there. Okay, so there's one side done. Well, there you go, that has done exactly what I want it to do. It's put beveled edges on that, and that has made that into a capping rail. All I need to do is do the full length. Now. Right, so here it goes. Well, there you go, all done. Right, let's get it fitted. So there you are, there is the fence panel all back in place. The new capping rail is on. Just goes to prove you can make your own capping rails. All you need is a bit of 2 by 1 timber, or whatever measurements suit your fence panel, and a 45-degree chamfer bit, cutting bit for your router, and you're good to go. So that fence panel lives on for another couple of years. So there you go guys, thanks again for watching. Please be sure to check out some of my other videos, like and subscribe, and I shall see you again very soon. Cheers, bye bye.